Good morning to all my students. Welcome my channel BhuloksMathematics. Today we discussing about integration by substitution. Let us come and start. Integration by substitution. Okay, integration by substitution. So type number 1. Type 1. Integral of x plus b to the power n dx. So last class I've already discussed integration of x to the power n dx is equal to x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c, n not equal to minus 1. Here it is x, here it is also x. So the integration is equal to x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. But today, in place of x, it is ax plus b. So first of all, we have to take ax plus b is equal to t. Once you take means you have to differentiate on both sides with respect to x. So we get d dx of ax plus b is equal to dt by dx. So applying the derivative of sum is equal to sum of the derivative. d dx of ax plus d dx of b is equal to dt by dx. So a is constant that will coming outsides. We get a is equal to a whole into d dx of x plus derivative of constant is 0. So we get dt by dx. So derivative of x is equal to 1. So a is equal to dt by dx. So dx is equal to dt by a. Okay? So then in place of x plus b we have to put t. So here it is t to the power n. In place of dx we have to put dt by a. dt by a. So 1 by a is a constant that will come in outside of integration. So t to the power n dt, integration of t to the power n dt is equal to 1 by a t to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. So in place of t we have to put ax plus b. So we write 1 by a ax plus b to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. Okay? So you remember the formula, integration of ax plus b to the power n dx is equal to 1 by a ax plus b to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. So you see here, the coefficient of x is here, a. So that a will be divided here. So we get the formula like this. So you remember, integration of ax plus b to the power n dx is equal to 1 by a ax plus b whole to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. Okay? So this is one formula. Using this formula, we have to find some examples. So write down one example. Integration of 3x plus 5 to the power 100 dx. So here the coefficient of x is 3. So The answer is equal to 1 by 3, 3x plus 5 to the power 101 divided by 101 plus c. Okay. So this is the answer. Next, another example. 5 minus 3x to the power 50 into dx. So here the coefficient of x is equal to minus 3. So the value is equal to minus 1 by 3, 5 minus 3x to the power 51 divided by 51 plus c. So this 3 is multiplied with 51, the result coming out minus 1 by 3, 153, 5 minus 3x to the power 51 plus c. Okay, so this is the answer. Next, type number 2, we get type number 2. Integration of sin ax plus b dx. Integration of sin ax plus b dx. So we know that integration of sin x dx is equal to minus cos x plus c. Here it is x, we get x. So in place of ax plus b, we have to take as t. Ax plus b is equal to t. Then differentiating on both sides with respect to x. dt by dx is equal to a. So dt by a is equal to dx. Okay, then we get integration of sin t. So in place of dx we have to put dt by a. So 1 by a is a constant that will be coming outside. So we get 1 by a integration of sin t dt. So integration of sin t dt, the result is coming out minus 1 by a cos t plus c. So in place of t, we have to put ax plus t. So we get minus 1 by a cos ax plus t plus c. Ax plus t plus c. This is the result. So you remember the formula. We remember the formula. Integration of sin ax plus b dx is equal to minus 1 by a cos ax plus b plus c. Here you see the coefficient of x is equal to a. So that quantity will be divided here. So this is the formula you have to remember. Integration of sin ax plus b dx is equal to minus 1 by a cos ax plus b plus c. The coefficient of x must be divided here. So using this formula, we have to find some problems. Integration of sin 3x dx. So here the coefficient of x is equal to 3. So the value will be equal to minus 1 by 3 cos x plus t plus c. Okay. So this is the type number 2. Next, type number 3. Type number 3. Type 3. Integration of cos ax into dx. So we know that integration of cos x dx, integration of cos x dx, the result is sin x plus c. Here it is x, here it is also x. But today in place of x, that is ax plus b. So the result will be 1 by a sin ax plus b plus c. Okay, this is the formula. You remember. This is the formula. Similar manner we have to put this. Okay, the coefficient of x is here a, that will be divided here. So remember, integration of cos ax plus b dx is equal to 1 by a sin ax plus b plus c. So using this formula, we have to find some example. Write down cos 5x plus 7 dx. You see here, the coefficient of x is equal to 5. So integral value will become 1 by 5 sin 5x plus 7 plus c. Okay? So this is the type number 3. Next, type number 4. Type number 4. Integration of sec square ax plus b dx. So the coefficient of x is here a. So the integration value will become 1 by a tan ax plus b plus c. You remember, this is one formula. This is one formula. This is one formula. Using this formula, we have to integrate one example. Sec square 2x dx. So here it is, the coefficient of x is 2 here. So that will be divided there 1 by 2 tan 2x plus c. Okay? So this is all about today's class. Thank you to all for watching my TV. Please subscribe my channel and share and my channel. Okay, thank you.